Would you sleep inside a volcano? The Montagna Magica Lodge is a hotel built to look like a volcano, and it even erupts water from the top like lava. It's inside an active volcanic zone. Would you stay in a hotel that could one day be surrounded by real lava? In Chile, hidden deep in the rainforest, it's covered in moss, waterfalls, and wildlife, with windows that look out into the wild jungle. The rooms are cozy, but the real adventure? Follow me and comment success, and I'll send the full guide on how to make $100,000 a year.